What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released The Big Bull. Before talking about the movie, let's talk about Robert Pattinson. And I hope you will be surprised why I'm talking about it. Have you watched The Devil All the Time on Netflix and recently released on Amazon Prime? Tenet. He's a British actor, but in these both movies, he has worked on his lingual skills to match with the certain like South American states accent, and he worked very well on it. No problem, but like at least he did his level best. It's not his original British accent, so it's totally opposite. And also when he review his own accent, that how he cope up with challenge of giving a very hard South American accent, he worked upon it. Now you will watch it, The Big Bull. The good thing that the Abhishek Bachchan movie has come up with is that recognizing the YouTubers' work, and Ajay Nagar and his team, they have done very well in giving a good music, and that was used there, but it was misplaced before the story starts. Even nothing happened, it just placed at the wrong time, so somehow it lost its credibility of being placed in that spot or slot. And in this movie especially, the the problem with the Bollywood is they glamorize the thing, and in those process, what happens, the real message is withered away. And that happens in it because the story has to be revolved around his scam and everything that he is going. And so they are jumping from one detail to another detail very quickly. I think this is why Pratik Gandhi got the edge, because it was a series, and in the series you can show so many details nicely. And the moreover important thing is that it was released earlier, that's why everybody loved it. And the background score of Scam 1992 is still always appealing, and it creates curiosity in the brains of viewers to watch the next episode, so that's why it was there. But in this one you could see that all the background score was I think it was poor, because that's why there was no crisp or charm in the processing of the now movie. Another thing that comes up is the role of Suchita Dalal. The Suchita Dalal in the series, the girl who played the role, it was very engaging. But here, Elena De Cruz, she just like glamorize it, and moreover, you could see just very quickly. It's not like they didn't create a good narrative for her how things should be worked up, and from the beginning it was a big problem. The problem was that they, at the first scene, they were saying that he was likely going to pay for the. So at the beginning of the movie, you could see that he was helping under that brother, and suddenly he's a millionaire and into the penthouse and all this. So they are just jumping from one conclusion to another. So it was very hard for them to. Storytelling was very average, it was not good. And moreover, when you see that the catch lines that was used in Pratik Gandhi's Scam 1992, they are still fresh in the brains of people, and especially the lighter scenes, all these, because at that time these things were very relevant, and that's why those details really were appealing. But in this one, Abhishek Bachchan was using a very big head, big cordless spoon, and it was good. I think they like to match with the audience of that time or the era of that time also. And another thing that, especially their conversation within the family, it matters the most, because if someone is from Gujarat, same, that's what I was telling about. Same that I was telling about, because Robert Pattinson was working on his accent so that he could deliver very well because the story was all about Southern, so the accent should be like American people. That's why Pratik Gandhi, his accent was very good and he was very natural, and especially all those characters, they were very normal. So, and they worked very well upon their dining conversation and how they can communicate within their family. And it was very important because they need to create a pure Gujarati accent and the family and how they talk to each other. If I could be wrong, but I know it. But there are slangs that are used because there are some terms that they use it. There are some tonal languages, a tonal accent or something. Every language has its their own beauty. So Pratik Gandhi looks like towering above Abhishek Bachchan's role in this one. But overall, in this, Abhishek Bachchan was giving a cunning smile, and it was not so appealing also because he should create. Overall, he was trying his level best to walk the way he walks, his body language, everything. He really worked on it. But overall, if somebody really need to portray someone from another culture, he has to learn a lot of things. So the details were missing. And another thing was that there are seasonal actors that were used in this one. So now here Shukla ji was playing a very well role, but he was not seen like we see in Scam 1992 Satish Kaushik. So Satish Kaushik giving a very hard time in that one, and they created his background or narrative that how he works, how his team was. But most of the time you see here, Shukla was always alone. He has no power because he in this if you are being the bear of the market, you really have your audience, you have your people. Satish Kaushik was very well there, but here it was not. But overall, you could really watch it because they were very reluctant to release last year because Pratik Gandhi nailed the character very well. And here, overall, it is good, average movie because in Bollywood, when the movies or when these kind of biographies come, there is always a romantic song. How they could place the romantic song at the odd? There is no romanticism that has to be shown because the movie revolves around his scam, not his romantic life. I hope you really like this, so kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you feel another movie that is worth watch, then I hope you really recommend. So thank you so much for bearing me. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.